Hello, beloved, beautiful souls. So, let me tell you what happened. I went to see Brad, who's on the Sunshine Coast. So, if you live on the Sunshine Coast, I recommend Brad. He's called Brad Computers. And apparently, what had happened, and you can see I'm using my own inbuilt camera on my laptop, is this Logi little camera, I'll show you closer, was causing an issue. It was overriding Windows. I could not find a camera icon, nor could I find a camera because this was overriding Windows. And if you go to the Logi, this is a Logi 270. If you go to their website, they are having issues. So do not use this at the moment, because if you do, you'll find that you'll have to go to the IT like I did, and that tech guy, it cost me $40, which was cheap, but he had to clean, reset, factory resettings, and he said that this had caused a lot of malware and a lot of viruses on my computer. And if you go to LOG, their website, they actually tell you that they're having trouble at the moment. They've uploaded some new drivers themselves. Go to their website and you'll see there's a warning that because they've updated, they're having trouble. So do not plug in your Logi camera. All right, thank you for watching. I will be making more videos, but you'll be seeing me in a different format. Thank you for watching, beloved souls. Please remember, my name's Jim Stone, to have a look at one of my books available from Amazon. Take care of each other and of yourselves. Love, light, and blessings. Bye.